Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Rise and shine.
Today is going to be a great day.
And a great day to learn English.
Yes. Hey, can I ask you something?
Of course. Ask me anything.
What is the first thing you do every morning?
I open my eyes.
Me too, but then what?
I check my phone.
Ooh, good point. And your phone, it is in English, right?
Yes, that is a great habit.
Wait, is your phone in English right now?
Viewer, check your phone. Is it in English?
If not, change it today. Just go to settings.
Settings, then language, then English.
Done. Your phone is now your English teacher.
Every notification, every button, English.
Ah, I love that. Small change, big result.
That is what we are talking about today.
Small habits every single day.
Small habits that make your English grow.
Like a little plant, right?
Yes, water it every day.
And one day, boom, a big tree.
I love that picture. So let's start.
Okay, so it's morning. You wake up.
You stretch, you yawn, you say
Good morning.
simple, beautiful English.
Say it out loud right now. Go on.
Good morning. Did you say it?
I heard you. Great job. Now, what do you do next?
I go to the kitchen.
Me too. And I look at everything.
What do you mean?
I say the name of everything I see.
Oh, like cup,
Yes, cup, spoon, bowl.
bread, milk, egg.
These are your words, your kitchen words.
Every morning, say 5 kitchen words.
Just 5. That is all.
5 words every morning? That is 150 words in a month.
Wow, I never thought of it like that.
Math and English together.
Okay, so I am making my tea.
Or coffee or juice, whatever you drink.
And I say out loud, I am making tea.
Yes, talk to yourself. It is not strange.
It's actually really smart.
Because your brain hears you speaking.
And it starts to remember,
So next time, the words come faster.
like a reflex.
Exactly. Your mouth learns too, not just your brain.
Okay, now I have my tea. I sit down.
And here comes the big question.
What do you do now? Social media?
Instagram, YouTube, TikTok?
All the good stuff.
But here's a little tip.
Ooh, I love tips.
When you scroll, read everything in English.
Read the captions, read the comments.
Even if you do not understand everything,
Just keep reading,
your brain is picking it up.
like a sponge.
And when you see a word you don't know,
Stop, look it up.
write it down somewhere.
Write it in a little notebook.
Or in your phone notes.
One new word every morning. That's your word of the day.
What is your word of the day today?
Viewer, go find one right now. I dare you. Ooh, I love a dare.
Okay, so now I am having breakfast.
Breakfast is my favorite English time
Why?
because I watch a short English video while I eat.
Ooh, what kind of video?
Something simple, a cooking video, a travel video.
A cute animal video.
Yes, English with baby pandas, I am in.
And you do not need to understand every word.
Just listen, feel the language,
Notice how they speak, the sounds.
the rhythm, the tone.
English has a music to it, you know?
It really does, like a song.
And the more you listen, the more you hear it.
So, breakfast and English video, perfect combo.
Add that to your morning routine.
Okay, now let's talk about something different.
Ooh, what is it?
Labels. Have you ever tried labeling your home?
What do you mean labeling?
Take small sticky notes, write the English word.
Then put it on the object.
Chair, table, window, door.
Mirror, lamp, shelf.
Every time you walk past, you see the word.
Every time you touch it, you think the word.
And after 1 week, you know it forever.
That is so clever.
My cousin did this. In 3 weeks, she knew 50 new words.
50, just from sticky notes.
Small habit, big result, remember?
Okay, I'm going to do this today. Viewer, will you join us?
Yes, go get some sticky notes right now.
Okay, now it is time to leave the house.
Going to work, going to school, going to the market?
Whatever you do it in English.
In your head while you walk.
Look at things around you, name them.
Tree, road, car, bus stop.
Shop, cloud, sunshine.
You are writing a little poem in your head.
English poetry on the way to the market.
Now, here's something really powerful.
Tell me.
Talk to yourself. Tell the story of your day.
Like, out loud?
Or in your head, whatever feels right.
I am going to the market. I need eggs and bread.
The weather is nice today. I feel happy.
I see a red car. It is moving fast.
Just simple sentences, real life.
Your real life in English,
That's amazing because now English is your story,
not just a textbook story.
not just someone else's conversation.
Your life, your words, your English.
Goosebumps, I love that.
Me too. Okay, let's talk about music.
Oh, yes, music and English are best friends.
What English songs do you love?
I love all kinds pop, slow songs, old songs.
The trick is listen with the lyrics.
Go to YouTube, find the lyrics video.
Read along while you listen.
You learn pronunciation.
You learn new words.
You learn how English sounds in emotion.
Happy English.
Sad English.
Excited English.
And the best part?
You remember song words so easily.
Because music goes into your memory in a special way.
It is like the song carries the words right in.
So, pick one English song this week.
Listen to it every day.
Learn the words slowly.
By Friday, you will sing it.
Viewer, what song will you pick?
Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
Okay, now let's talk about a very powerful tool.
Is it what I think it is?
Journaling.
Yes, writing a little English diary.
You do not need to write much.
Just 3 sentences before bed.
Today, I went to the market.
I bought bread and milk.
The weather was sunny. I felt good.
That's it. 3 sentences, done.
But here's the magic part.
Tell me the magic.
Tomorrow, you read yesterday's sentences.
And the day after, you read again.
You see your own progress.
After 1 month, you look back.
And your writing is already better.
You see your mistakes and you fix them.
You see your growth and you feel proud.
Proud, that is such a good feeling.
And you earned it because you did the work.
Every single day.
Small habits. Every single day.
Okay, I want to talk about something we use all the time now.
What is that?
AI, artificial intelligence.
Oh, yes, like chatting with a robot.
Have you tried talking to an AI in English?
It's actually amazing for practice.
You type a question in English.
The AI answers in English.
You don't understand something? Ask again.
The AI never gets bored.
It never laughs at your mistakes.
It just helps you.
It's like having a patient English tutor, always ready.
At 2 in the morning if you want.
I have done that, I admit it.
Me too. No judgment here.
So if you have access to an AI chat tool,
Use it. Ask it questions in English.
ask it to explain a word.
Ask it to check your sentence.
Ask it to tell you a short story.
And read the story. Enjoy it.
English doesn't have to feel like homework.
It can feel like fun.
It can feel like a game.
It can feel like a friend.
And that's the goal, right?
Yes, English should feel like a friend.
Not a scary subject.
Not an exam.
A friend you talk to every day.
And the more you talk, the closer you get.
I love that. Okay, now let's talk about shopping.
Oh, I love shopping.
Everyone loves shopping.
But do you do it in English?
Here is a fun challenge.
When you go shopping, say each item in English before you pick it up.
Apple, orange, rice, sugar.
Shampoo, soap, toothpaste.
It sounds so simple, right?
But your brain is working. Your mouth is practicing.
And if you do not know the word,
Take out your phone. Look it up.
right there in the shop.
Write it down. Say it 3 times.
And now it is yours forever.
Every shopping trip, 5 new English words.
5 new words. A shopping trip is a vocabulary lesson.
I will never look at the supermarket the same way again. Ha!
Good. Change your view, change your learning.
Okay, now I want to talk about something important.
What?
Mistakes.
Oh, the scary word.
Not scary. Mistakes are good.
Every mistake is information.
It tells you where to grow.
It tells you what to practice next.
When you make a mistake in English,
Do not stop. Do not feel embarrassed.
just say, "Good, I learned something new today."
And keep going.
Every expert was once a beginner.
Every English speaker once said their first word.
That first word was maybe wrong.
Maybe the pronunciation was off.
Maybe the grammar was not perfect.
But they said it, and that made them brave.
Brave enough to say the second word.
And the third and the fourth.
And one day, they were fluent.
And you will be too.
We believe in you.
100%.
Okay, here's another small habit.
I'm ready.
English podcasts.
Yes, podcasts for learners are amazing.
While you cook, listen to a podcast.
While you clean the house, listen to a podcast.
While you walk, put in your earphones.
Easy English, English with Lucy, 6-minute English from BBC.
So many choices.
And they're free.
You are learning while you do your chores.
2 things at once, efficient and smart.
Ha! Look at you, being all productive.
English and a clean house? Yes, please.
Okay, now let's talk about speaking out loud.
This is the one people are scared of.
I know, but it's the most important one.
You have to speak.
Speaking is the bridge between knowing English and using English.
So here's the simplest way to start.
Read anything out loud.
The back of a shampoo bottle. Ha!
The instructions on a food box.
A text message, a caption, anything.
Read it out loud. Hear your voice saying English.
Your voice speaking English. That is powerful.
It builds confidence little by little.
And confidence is everything.
With confidence, you speak more.
The more you speak, the better you get.
The better you get, the more confident you feel.
It's a beautiful circle.
Not a vicious cycle, a beautiful one. Ha!
Okay, here is a question for you, viewer.
What's one sentence you can say right now in English?
About your day, about your room, about how you feel.
Say it right now, out loud.
We're waiting. Ha!
We really are.
Okay, let's talk about English at home with family.
This one is fun.
Start using small English phrases with people you live with,
Good morning. Thank you. See you later.
even if they are not learning English.
It still helps you.
Because repetition is how language goes into your bones.
Your bones. I love that image.
It becomes automatic. You don't even think about it.
It just comes out, naturally.
Like breathing.
That's the goal. English like breathing.
Natural, easy, effortless.
And we're getting there, every day.
Every small habit gets you closer.
Okay, one more powerful habit.
What is it?
Follow English accounts on social media.
Yes, change your feed to English content.
English cooking videos,
English travel pages.
English funny memes.
Memes are actually amazing for learning.
They are short, they are funny.
They use real everyday English.
Slang, jokes, real expressions.
The English people actually speak.
Not just textbook English.
Real English. Living English.
So follow some English pages today.
Every time you scroll, you are learning.
Passive learning is still learning.
Your brain is always watching.
Always listening, always absorbing.
Trust your brain. It is working even when you do not notice.
Smart brain.
Okay, we are almost at the end.
Already? That went so fast.
Good things always go fast.
Because we were having fun.
And learning at the same time.
That is the secret, by the way.
The secret to learning English?
Make it fun. Make it yours. Make it part of your life.
Not a class you attend once a week.
Not a book you open only before an exam.
Every morning, every meal, every walk.
Every song, every scroll, every conversation.
English is everywhere.
You just have to look for it.
And use it every day, even a little.
Even one word, even one sentence.
Even good morning to yourself in the mirror.
Yes. Good morning, me. You are doing great today.
That is actually a wonderful habit.
Talking to yourself in the mirror?
Yes, look at yourself speak English.
Tell yourself one thing in English every morning.
I'm learning. I'm getting better. I can do this.
Say it in English. Feel it in English.
Because you are getting better.
Every single day.
And one day you'll look back at today.
And you will smile.
You will say, I remember when English felt hard.
Look how far I've come.
And that day is coming, I promise.
We both promise.
So let's do a quick review. Are you ready?
Ready? We were born ready.
Change your phone to English.
Label things in your home.
Say 5 words in your kitchen every morning.
Watch one short English video at breakfast.
Listen to English music with lyrics.
Write 3 sentences in your English journal before bed.
Talk to yourself in English, on walks, at home, anywhere.
Read out loud every day.
Follow English social media accounts.
And practice with AI if you can.
10 habits.
10 small habits that will change your English.
And they all fit into your normal day.
No extra time needed.
Just a little shift in how you do things.
A little shift every day.
And the results are huge.
Huge, like that big tree we talked about.
You remember?
Water it every day. One day, boom.
Haha, a big, beautiful English tree.
With branches of vocabulary.
And leaves of grammar.
And fruit of confidence.
I love us.
Me too. Okay, last thing.
The most important thing.
Do not wait for the perfect moment.
Do not wait until your English is good enough.
Your English is already good enough to start.
Good enough to try.
Good enough to make one small habit today.
Just one. Pick the one you liked most from today.
Which one was your favorite?
Tell us in the comments.
We read every single one.
Every single one. We love hearing from you.
And if this video helped you, share it.
Share it with your friend who is learning English.
Share it with your family member who wants to improve.
Share it with anyone who needs a little motivation today.
Because we all need that sometimes.
Even me, even Sophie.
Yes, even us.
We are all on this journey together.
And together, we go farther.
So, one small habit, starting today.
Starting right now.
We believe in you.
We really do.
Now go make your English day amazing.
See you in the next video, and until then,
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. Bye.